In this video, we're going to be checking out Belkin's amazing MagSafe 3-in-1 charger. Welcome everybody to AppleInsider. It is Andrew here, and if you guys have been paying attention to the new iPhone 12 series, one feature may have stuck out to you, because it certainly stuck out to me. And that is MagSafe. So MagSafe is Apple's new connectivity feature for the latest iPhones that allows you to attach everything from cases to wallets to chargers to car mounts, all sorts of different stuff. Now, Apple worked with a few select companies early on before the release of the iPhones to get a head start on some excellent looking MagSafe accessories. And probably the biggest one has got to be Belkin. Belkin has been working with Apple, and they announced two products at Apple's iPhone launch event. The first being, which if you've already read my review, you know my thoughts on it, which is this guy here, the Car Vent Mount Pro with MagSafe. And honestly, I didn't love this. Unfortunately, I didn't. There was some weird, it was like clicking as the magnets were moving on in the inside, and I had a few minor issues with this, at least in the early unit that I got my hands on. So this was only okay to me, and it didn't charge, which I think is a big downfall, especially if you're using like wireless CarPlay and boom, you're trying to connect your phone to a mount that's not charging at the same time. It's a little bit of disappointment, but early product, and I'm sure iterations will follow. But what I was really excited for was this guy sitting right next to me, and that is the Belkin 3-in-1 MagSafe charger, allowing you to charge all of your Apple devices at one time. That's got your iPhone with MagSafe, your Apple Watch, and an additional Qi charger here at the bottom to top something off like your AirPods. And that's what we're going to be looking at quite a bit more detail in this video. So what do you get with the MagSafe 3-in-1 charger from Belkin? You're going to, of course, get the charger itself, which again can charge 3 devices, an iPhone 12, an Apple Watch, and then something additional on this Qi charger down below. So you've got 3 different charging ports on this thing. It does charge via I don't want to say completely proprietary, but a barrel connector versus something a little bit more universal. Obviously, I would prefer to see USB-C. It's a little bit more open. You can use different cables, you can use different chargers, and it's much easier to replace those things should anything go bad on them. I've definitely had a pet or two chew through a cable or something, and I just like the openness, more options of USB-C. But I will say this for the barrel connector, it goes in very easily. There's a really kind of nifty looking port on the bottom of this, and it makes it a bit thinner because the barrel connector is just itty bitty, so it just pops right there into place on the bottom and rotates out. So very nice cable management built into this guy. So if we're gonna have a barrel connector, you know, it's not a terrible one to have. Just, of course, I wish USB-C if that would have been a possibility. But I think this is smaller. I think this will do just fine. This thing is just so easy to use. Take your iPhone 12 or any other 12 device, take your AirPods Pro, you can plop them down here at the bottom, and of course we've got our Apple Watch, which can just pop right here on the charger. As I said, this will work with any iPhone 12 device. So in this case, we've got our 12 Pro Max, but not only will it work with the 12 Pro Max, but the iPhone 12 Pro, just the same. These pop right on there. There's the 12 Pro. We've got our iPhone 12. All of the iPhone 12 line has MagSafe in it. So they're all gonna operate just the same. Most of these devices are off, so they're not turning on when we slap them on the charger. But even the 12 mini, it just goes right on there. It's so adorable, isn't it? Right there, boom. All of the iPhone 12 devices can charge on this, and it'll work with MagSafe-enabled cases. If I take my iPhone 12 Pro Max and I stick it in my MagSafe-enabled case, it still hops on there, holds on just the same, gives you that lovely animation of MagSafe. It is just too freaking cool. Now, if there was one minor complaint I would have about the device is for your phone, it'll work either orientation, which is pretty awesome. Say you're watching some amazing AppleInsider YouTube videos and you want to watch it while charging, turn it sideways, watch an AppleInsider video, watch a YouTube video, watch a movie, TV show, TikTok, I don't know, whatever it is that you guys want to watch, watch it vertically or horizontally here, and it just literally just rotates around. It's really, really neat. But your watch cannot. That's my little ding against this. is, especially with a watch band like mine, or most really any watch band, but it's just going to go sideways, it's going to stop. So you can't really use nightstand mode on your Apple Watch on the Belkin 3-in-1 MagSafe charger. So minor ding there for night side. I wish that would work horizontally, but just with this bar, this stainless steel bar going across, it just can't really reach. I could probably try to take off my band and like hover it like this. That may work, but that's not really gonna do it for me. So minor ding there. Other than that, the bottom of this is soft touch silicone. It feels very nice, going to protect your AirPods. This will work with other things that aren't your AirPods. So if you've got another phone, anything like that, you can lay these here at the bottom. As you can see, my phone just started charging. There is a small status indicator. It gets covered up with a phone this large, but there is a status indicator here at the bottom to let you know that that is wirelessly charging there below. So you've got a wireless charger there. 15 watts coming from MagSafe though. I think that's the biggest, the most impressive part is you can get such a quick charge from this being a magnetic charger. I love the hovering effect. Really, this is just a killer device. MagSafe is really a new technology, and Belkin got an advanced start on its killer charger. There is no doubt in my mind that we are going to see dozens upon dozens, if not hundreds upon hundreds, of MagSafe chargers and docks and 3-in-1s and car chargers and tripod mounts and all sorts of gadgets hit the market in the coming months. We may even see some at CES 2021. But right now, your options are limited. So I don't want you to feel like you're being kind of cornholed into this if you're looking for a MagSafe charger, even though you are. But this charger is outstanding. This is amazing on my desk. It is great bedside. It is just an amazing overall charger. You're getting those ridiculously fast 15-watt MagSafe speeds. It is itty-bitty and compact, so you can charge 3 of your devices all at once in a relatively small footprint. And the fact that your phone can rotate horizontally is just an amazing, amazing feature that I love. It is so great for on my desk and bedside that I can't get over it. I've already replaced a wireless charger with this, and I'm really considering picking up a second one of these for my desk as well as my bedside. So I'll have at least 2. My wife may insist on putting a third one in the kitchen. I'm not sure yet, but I really, really do very much enjoy this charger. They basically have hit it out of the park with this thing. If you guys want to grab one, they should be on sale now, if not very, very shortly. Follow the link down below in the description. Comes in both this white version as well as a black version, depending on what your preference is. Let me know what you guys think over on Twitter at Andrew_OSU, and I'll check you guys out in the next video.